Hey guys, so welcome back to a new vlog. Today is, hey Google, what's today? So today is Sunday the 23rd, and today I want to go to Walmart and pick up a few things. I need to grocery shop, y'all. I do not have any food in my refrigerator that probably is not even good, okay? Probably expired, probably smell a mess, probably look bad. So we need to go to Walmart and pick up a few things. I'm gonna clean out all that shit in that refrigerator, okay? All that stuff. I'm low-key kind of nervous to show y'all my refrigerator, okay? Because you might talk about me in the comments, but we're gonna do that today, and I want to bring y'all along with me. Grocery shop, we're not gonna pick up too much because I am limiting myself from overspending on food that just sit in my fucking refrigerator, and we coming down from that, okay? So we're gonna go pick up a few things and go to Walmart, and then come back home. We're gonna fold some laundry, clean out the fridge, put my food up and stuff like that. So it's gonna be like a little, I guess you would call it reset Sunday. I'm also waiting on my batteries to charge because I did not charge any of my batteries last night. So I'm waiting on some of my batteries to charge, and then once they do charge, we are out the door. It is maybe around 11 something. My phone's over there, but it is 11 something and we need to head out. Y'all, did y'all watch They Clone Tyrone? Did y'all watch that? Yeah. That shit is crazy, okay? That is crazy. Like, they literally put it right in front of us. Like, this is what they're doing. And then, like, the whole lab in a chicken thing, or chicken in the lab thing, that is so weird. That is so, it's like making me not want to eat chicken no more. I mean, I'm still eating chicken, but it's just, I don't really know, y'all. I don't really know. Like, I'm really not a conspiracy theorist or, you know, nothing like that, because what the hell can I do about it? What can little old me do about it? So, you know, it's just weird. It's just really freaking weird. And then Jamie Foxx is in it. Then lo and behold, everybody's saying he cloned, and I ain't with all that. I'm just gonna stay in my little bubble, and we're just not even gonna talk about that. But have y'all seen it? Have y'all seen it? If not, go watch it, because I watched it this morning, and yeah, that had me in the bed thinking, like, yeah. But whatever. So yeah, I do have this I have this hat situation going on. I have on my U-part wig, my Desilux Beauty U-part wig, y'all. And my hair is still in braids from wearing all my other wigs. So if you can only imagine, use your minds. Yeah, there's a U-part wig on with a hat, because right here in the middle is braids. But you can still look cute. You see what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to, you know, do too much. Just throw on you a little hat, a little cute hat. I got this little hat from Shein. And yeah, we about to go out the door. So let's go. Okay, y'all, before we go, I need to make my little L-glutamine drink. Y'all are actually on my L-glutamine. Set y'all here. So I'm gonna put my L-glutamine in my little thingy-majigger that I got from TJ Maxx. Y'all seen how I made this if y'all follow me on TikTok, or if you watch any of my previous vlogs. I use my little scooper, and then I do mix it with some collagen, just a little bit, because it to me it kind of tastes like peanuts, and I don't like just peanuts by itself. Like, it has to be like with chocolate or something, or like a Snickers. But yeah, I did say let's go on the other one, but in the other clip, but let's go. Oh, I didn't even shake it up, y'all. Give it a good shake. Okay, y'all, so y'all need to know another thing. I'm probably blurry right now because they be focusing on the wrong things, but I need to get something to put y'all on because I can't I can't continue to like not have y'all in the car with me, and I'm not gonna hold y'all. I am not gonna hold y'all because I need both hands on the wheel. You know, I need both hands on the wheel, so I need something to hold y'all up. Like, I have y'all on my little stand thing, and it does have like the little bendy lines and stuff, but bendy lines, the little bendy legs and stuff. So I need to find something to hold y'all on and like twist y'all on. Maybe go to Five Below. I don't know. We will see. I do have Creed with me. Say hi, Creed. Come here, Creed. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to all your aunties and uncles. He not studying y'all right now. He just want to get out the damn car. But y'all, let's go to Walmart. Check this, y'all. Check this out. How about it takes... Now, keep in mind, I've had my new car for... I don't know, maybe like 3-4 days now. How about it takes $34 to fill up on Unleaded Plus? Like, what? 34? Shit. Should have gave G-ass away a long time ago. Oh, I still miss my baby. But wow, $34 to fill. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see it's blurry. Come on, focus. What? $34? I'm hungry, y'all. So let's get food before we go into Walmart because I don't want to sit here and go in there hungry. And today's Sunday, so Chick-fil-A's closed. Bojangles? Let's go to Bojangles. See, y'all, this is... We can't do this. That's why I need to go ahead and get y'all something to sit on. And I'm not going to stay all day in Walmart because I know... for a fact what I need to pick up. I need to pick up some, like, you know, stuff I can make sandwiches with for work and snacks and stuff. Hi, Creed. You're all in the frame. I need to pick up snacks. I need to pick up eggs. I just need to pick up a few things. I need some more chicken breasts. Like, after watching They Clone Tyrone, like, it's making me second guess even eating damn chicken now. So I do need chicken breast though, because I do want to make like chicken and rice and veggies, you know, stuff like I can just warm up for work and warm up when I get home, because I'm tired of spending money on DoorDash for something that's like $12. I end up paying like $20 for it. Like, no, I'm tired of that shit. And then, you know, I didn't buy this car for nothing to just sit in the damn parking lot and not being used just to go back and forth to work. No, I didn't do that. So we're gonna start picking up our food, making our food, because food is getting really expensive and I'm not about to keep sitting here giving DoorDash my money. So we're gonna do that, and I'm about to get me some Bojangles while we're right here by Walmart. The thing that we do should be between me and you. Get up, get on, baby. I'm a bad mother, shut your mouth. Sausage, egg, and cheese combo. That's all he wanted to do is hang out the dang window. Okay, y'all, so yesterday I uploaded a vlog. I don't know, probably like 1 o'clock that morning. But I had uploaded a vlog. Go check it out, because me and Radiance had made laundry detergent, like DIY laundry detergent. It was really fun. And you know, me and Radiance always have a good time. So the detergent that we made is actually missing something. I think it's, I don't know, it's like some other type of cleaner that's supposed to go in there. I'm gonna try to look for it while we're here. And I'm also getting me some Smell Good for that, because the way that it smells, it does smell like mosquito candles. If y'all know what mosquito candles, you know, comment below. I don't like that smell, and I don't want to be walking around here smelling like mosquitoes, or mosquito candles. I want to get some of those little Smell Good, you know, unstoppable beads to put in there. I have used it before and I didn't see like any irritation to my skin. I do want to put some of those in there because, one, it smells good, and I feel like maybe one little thing right now would add just a little bit of scent. I'm not gonna put 2 in there because I think that'll be too overwhelming. Holder. Yeah, I don't think they got camera holders in here because I cannot find one. Like they have the one that already has like the little camera on it, like if you want to ride and drive. You know, they have that, but not to actually hold the camera. Hey, boo. Hey. Good, how are you? Huh? You got a new car? Yeah. It's a Honda Civic. 2020 or 2022. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I actually need to braid my hair. Actually, I need some braids. I got you. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I came to Best Buy because I don't want to waste my time going to Five Below. You know, that they probably would have something, but it probably wouldn't be the best thing. They have like literally the same thing that they had at Walmart. I'm gonna just have to get it from Amazon because at this point, can I ask y'all a question? Y'all have camera holders for the car?
For the car?
Yeah, I didn't see none back there. It's only for like
GoPro. We have
GoPro.
the phone mounts over here.
Okay.
And I don't think they are for cameras.
Okay. Okay, so they didn't have it, of course. And I definitely like don't want to try Five Below because I know for a fact that theirs is not gonna like stick to anything. They didn't even stick in my other car, but I don't know. I guess we'll give it a try. And my sister came to Walmart and picked up Creed. So Creed is not in the car with me. See, just like everything is for the damn phone. Y'all, this is as close as we gonna get. Okay, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me because we're at the air conditioning, but we went ahead and we got this. And I highly doubt that this may or may not work. See? There's some bullshit. Y'all, this $3 shit not sticking nowhere. It's not sticking nowhere. Not even on the damn glass. No, it's not sticking nowhere. I literally have y'all suction to my radio. I don't know. It won't stick anywhere else. I mean, I guess it took me a few times to actually get a stick, but like, it won't stick to the dashboard. I think because it's like a material, it's kind of like plush. I don't know how to really explain it. I guess it's not quite a fail, it's just that's not where I want to sit, y'all. It's whatever. I think I'm going to get one from Amazon, but this will work for right now. I don't know how long y'all might stay, but if this damn thing drop my camera, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, y'all, let me go pick up Creed, possibly see my little Rai. My nieces are with their dad, and we're gonna go home, clean out this refrigerator, edit this vlog, and get ready for work in the morning. I didn't upload for like 2 days, I want to say. It's always 2 days for me. I don't know why. I guess because, like I said before, nobody don't want to really see me go to work cutting hair all the time, like throughout the whole month, you know. And then I added a day. I added a day of work for right now, just to see how I like it. I already know I'm not gonna like it because I told myself I do not want to work extra days. I don't want another day. I want to work my 4 days and have my 3 days off. So by me adding on another day, I'm not gonna like it. It's a half a day, it's 7 hours, but it's still, you know, like half of my day. Like I won't be able to actually like make plans like how I want to. And then like when I get off work, I get off at 3. I have like 3 to the end of the day, but still like, I don't know. I'm thinking about changing it and just keeping it, you know, how I have it, but we'll see. Because when I get irritated, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to cut hair. I don't want to cut clients. I don't want to talk to clients. Like, if you're a barber, you would understand. Even a hairstylist, like, you would understand. Like, you know, you have your good days and you have your bad days, but yeah. And so the second thing was me editing a video, and Filmora through Wondershare. Filmora was giving me some problems because they wanted me to subscribe to them again. Like, and I'm like, look, for some reason I already have like 3 active subscriptions with y'all. Like, I don't understand why I'm paying for 3 subscriptions. And then when I tried to upload my video, yesterday's video, it was telling me that I had to purchase with or without a watermark. So if I purchased with the watermark, it was going to be right on top of my video, and I didn't want that. So I don't know. I had talked to somebody in a little chat box or whatever, but I don't even think they even knew what the hell was going on. Like, he wanted me to send him like my little code number and all that stuff so that way he can, you know, dig deeper. But he really didn't help. And so he was like, oh, it's gonna be like a 24-hour thing or whatever. So what I did was I paid again, and I unsubscribed from the other 3 subscriptions that I had. So if anybody uses Filmora, please let me know. Like, if y'all ever had this problem, like, let me know what y'all did, you know, to fix that problem, because I don't want to have to keep paying like every other month for 3 damn subscriptions. Either that, or I'm about to change what I'm using, because I don't want to have to deal with that every time. Okay, y'all, so I came home, I changed. It's hot as hell outside, okay? Clean out my fridge, which should not be as hard, but we're gonna try to get it done. Move y'all a little closer to the fridge. It does look, okay, so it doesn't look as bad as I thought. As y'all can see, it doesn't look as bad. It's just so much stuff in here, especially over here on the door that I don't use. Some of the stuff needs to just go in the trash. I see some leakage. I see just too much stuff in here. So I'm gonna just speed y'all up and Y'all, no matter how much I move this damn camera around, there is no good lighting in here, okay? So, I finally done cleaning out my fridge. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Walmart. I'm trying to make it quick. So, I got Creed's dog food, tea light candles, and I did not unbag everything. I got cage-free eggs. I got, of course, kombucha. And I got the lemon ginger. And then I got the pineapple peach kombucha as well. 2 of each. I got some Unstoppables. We're gonna put these in our laundry detergent that we made the other day. Bananas, cherries, mangoes, all this stuff, like the fruit and stuff. We're gonna try to prep tonight so that way I can have a lunch for next week. Dove soap. I hope it smells good, but I think my mom used this before and I like the smell of it, so I got that. CeraVe, the facial foaming cleanser. And then y'all, I went back and got the Zote soap. If y'all haven't seen my other video that I posted, go ahead and check it out because we did make laundry detergent. So I did turn around and get some Zote soap. I do have to chop this thing up, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't think I'll do it tonight though because I got the Unstoppables. So yeah, I also got Mighty Patch because my face has been doing some weird ass shit. And I think I need to clean my makeup brushes. I think that's the biggest thing. And then I got eyeliner by LA Colors. Cheap, nothing too crazy. Cosmic Crisp apples. Cucumbers, thin cheese. Y'all, my car was so freaking hot in the trunk, it damn near melted my cheese. Honey Gold potatoes, peppers, bacon. I got the Applewood cut bacon, baby carrots, whole grain honey wheat, potato bread. Dripping, oh my God, it's dripping. And it just dripped down my fucking leg. Oh my God, okay. I got chicken breast. It's staying in the bag because no, it did not just drop on my leg like that. Ugh. Ugh. Bacteria. Bacteria. Ugh. So gross. Yeah, we're gonna be making that chicken tonight. Avocado ranch salad. I got 2 of these. Last but not least, I got the sweet and salty mix. It has like fudge strips, pretzels, chocolate chip little minis, and cheese balls. You know, something I can take back and forth to work for lunch. Okay, y'all, let's put all this stuff up and I will see y'all in a minute.
What it is, what's up? Every good girl needs a little that. Hydrating skin tan. Oh my gosh. Fun. Huh? Ooh. Next week's vlog is gonna be basically like getting my keys like moving in. And moving day, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be next Thursday. It's gonna be next week, moving day. And I plan on just getting everything kind of in one go. I'm already lined up. Let's go. It's really important for me to make it extremely easy in choosing my policy and getting everything in order.
All right, y'all, so I'm about to finish making this laundry detergent. So I went ahead and picked up the Unstoppables as y'all seen just a few minutes ago. And we're gonna put this in there. So I did wash a load of clothes last night. I just put them in the dryer. And they don't smell bad. I did wash Creed's towel with the laundry detergent. They smell fine. Just to be a little bit extra, I want to add some Unstoppables and some smell good. So we're gonna add, I think that's good, the whole damn thing in there and just stir it around. I should probably just pick it up and just mix it, right? Like we did in the video. Let's see. Okay, I think that did pretty good. Cool. Yeah, that smells a lot better than a mosquito damn candle. I think I'm gonna just add the whole thing in there. And I did get the Zoe soap, y'all, but I do not even have a cheese grater to even do that. So we'll do that on another day. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to start dinner. I don't know what time it is. It's 5:38. My clock is wrong behind me, and I'm about to start on dinner. Just so that way I'm not too tired to do it on later on tonight. And I can go ahead and edit and upload this video. Yeah, so we're gonna make chicken and rice. Just making sure that the chicken is thawed out. Because it was kind of frozen when I picked it up at Walmart. So this chicken is thick as hell. Well, I don't like touching chicken. Is anybody else like that, or is it just me? Like, oh, I just gotta wash my hands like every 5 seconds because I don't like the texture. I don't know. I'm gonna make garlic butter chicken. I made it before and it was pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna make that, and I'm gonna make some rice. I don't have any asparagus this time. I might make, should I make potatoes? That sounds good. Making potatoes in the oven. Potatoes, I want rice. That can be another side for another day. And then I want to do either green beans, and I have broccoli too. That can be like a food prep. We'll see. I'm just hungry, which is why I went to go to Bojangles before going into Walmart, because y'all, if I would have went to Walmart, I probably would have picked up way more shit than I did. So I was just basically picking up stuff that I can make a sandwich with for work, snacks for work, and like the stuff for just this week. Every time I go to the store, I usually pick up like $200 worth of groceries, and y'all seen half of that shit I just threw away. So we're not even trying to like get so much to where like you don't even know what you want to eat. So I just bought stuff that I know that I was going to eat this week, and you know, like healthier options, banana, carrots, cucumber. I need ranch. Fuck, I need ranch. Okay, so I need to go pick up some ranch because I did not have any. Actually, I did. I just threw it away, but there was nothing in there. I think I'm gonna do that. I don't think I'm gonna record. We will see, because this is a really long vlog. But I'm sure like this is stuff that y'all want to see, because usually my vlogs are not that long. The only long vlogs I had was vacation vlogs. So, but I hope that y'all are enjoying it. I really do. I am trying my very best. I feel like I'm doing really good for myself, y'all. I feel like I'm doing really, really good. We will talk about this a little bit more later, but I do want to go ahead and cook so that way I can just chill out later. You know, I work tomorrow, so yeah.
$200 bucks? Wow, that's kind of a lot.